Good morning, Lake Lundgren. I'm Jack.
And we're Natalie.
And we are doing another Dethroned episode. And the episode that we're doing is sound effects. And so in season 2, I beat Spawns in this game. And how it works is myself or that Natalie Tattinen, we're going to get a piece of paper with a word on it. And we have to make a sound effect to try to get Natalie Olson to guess what it is. If Natalie Olson would like another guess, she can ask for it, and we will provide the guess. If she gets it right, we get a point. If she gets it wrong, we don't get a point, and then we're mad at Natalie forever.
I'm sorry.
So that's how it works.
Do you want me to go first?
Sure.
Do you want me to go first?
No, you can go first. Let's see what I'm up against. Don't mess up, Natalie. I'm talking to you.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Might want to sit on those hands.
Yeah. So true. Good. Can you do it again?
Yeah. Always better to say it again.
Yeah. Good.
I think I know what it is.
I'm too scared now to answer. I want to say drinking a soda. But no.
Is it drinking a bottle of water?
So this is a hard one because of the wording. It's finishing a drink.
Hey, I like that.
How was she gonna get that?
Hey, whatever, doesn't matter. Moving on in the game.
Honestly, probably wouldn't have gotten it if I was guessing.
All right. Here we go.
It's important.
Vroom. Do you want me to do it again? It's real complicated.
Sure, go for it.
Vroom.
I would say revving an engine.
Ah! Starting a car. Starting a car. All right. It's okay. It's okay.
I shouldn't have been a guesser. I'm
You're
not
fine.
meant for this job. Redo that.
I've got to guess.
Do you have a guess?
Yeah.
The first thing that comes to mind is walking through snow. Like trudging through snow.
That's not correct.
Yeah, I know! I'm so bad at this.
What do you think it was?
Is it a swing set?
No.
What is it?
Using a handsaw?
Using a handsaw. Okay, I'm gonna add more detail to my sound effects. Onto my chair. Hands on chair. Okay.
I just want to hear it again. A car stopping?
Yep, that is it. That is it.
Yay, points on the board!
Yeah! Point for me. Got
Good
one
job,
up on the
good
crowd.
job.
One up on the crowd.
Good job.
Blowing up a balloon?
Yeah!
Oh! I wouldn't have got it right. I was thinking she was taking a weird deep breath.
A weird deep breath.
Calming down after Jack annoys you. Take deep
common
breaths.
occurrence.
Take deep breaths. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here we go. Here, I'll try it. Try it a little different. Okay. Alright.
Gosh, I don't even know what to say.
That was different. different.
I said I'd try it a little different.
Okay.
I don't even know what to say.
Well, I can't do it again anymore.
I know.
Don't mess this up for me.
No pressure there. The first thing was something like in my head. It was something falling, so I'm gonna say a leaf falling. but-
No. Do you have a guess?
I have no idea. I have
It
no
was
idea.
flipping a coin. So. Or.
Wow. Okay.
I wouldn't have gotten that, but okay.
I'm impressed.
So we're tied, 1-1. We did a really, really good job. As you can tell, I am the champion of this. So how it's going to work in our tiebreaker round is Natalie, and I are going to do rock, paper, scissors. We have one sound effect. Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to start with the sound effect. And then if this Natalie doesn't guess it accurately, the other person then gets to make the sound, and we go back and forth until Natalie gets it, and we'll find out who wins. So, rock, paper, scissors.
Can you just go
So,
first?
rock, paper, scissors. No.
I want to know what you're going to do.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then
We go on shoot?
on shoot. So, it'll be rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Are you going to do scissors?
We'll find out. Maybe I'm trying to get in your brain with that one.
Maybe.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, guess you get to go first. All right. There you go. It's the same one for both of us.
She only gets one shot.
Yep, only one shot.
Wait.
I was gonna say a ping pong, like not a ping pong, the pinball machine.
No.
No, okay.
All right.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
All right, here we go.
Pac-Man?
I wasn't even done yet. Okay. On to the next
Definitely
person.
not right.
No, I guess not. So it's not games?
We can't tell you. On to the next.
Beep boop boop.
Some sort of machine, but I don't know.
You are not no.
Yes, not correct.
Yeah, no.
All right, here we go. I will let you know when I'm done.
Okay, okay.
It is when I am finished making a sound.
All right.
The only thing that's coming to my mind is like an ATM and like the money coming out at the end, but
No.
that's not it.
Beep boop boop boop.
I don't know. We'll go with like a quarter operated laundry machine, but I don't think that's accurate.
Nope. All right, moving on.
I'm so sorry.
All right, here we go. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Ring, ring.
Can I be done?
Can I just tell her? Can I tell her?
This is the actual sound.
A phone call? Like,
What?
that-
Wait. Are you too young?
I think so.
Are you too young? Let this guess sink in. Are you too young? She may be actually too young.
Seriously, I didn't know.
She is.
Because I was young when I had to experience this.
Dial-up internet?
Yeah! You did it! Dial-up internet.
Wow.
I feel like this episode turned
I'm so
into
impressed
Natalie
with you.
winning. I'm so proud of you. You got it.
It wasn't Natalie Olson that dethroned
And the
you.
winner is Natalie Olson. Have a great day, guys.
Oh man.
Good
Good morning, Lake Lundgren.
A little bit faster. You guys are like.
Sorry.